Heavy-duty panels jostle a grapevine to break grapes free. Rice tillers get mowed down and bundled automatically. Radishes get mechanically harvested at 4,000 bunches per hour. Futuristic grading software amazingly denies unripened tomatoes. Weight sensors trigger different arms to sort fish by size. A forage harvester shears off gorgeous lavender spikes. Dandelion seeds are sucked up with a vacuum rig. Apple crates are loaded onto a multi-level transport tractor. A dig and snag mechanism allows for fast carrot uprooting. Rollers spin a bale of hay for multi-directional wrapping. Spinach is clipped and sent up a belt for human packaging. Hexagonal compartments of honeycomb are sliced off mechanically. Industrially harvested mushrooms are carried to an inspection zone. A pellet with spinning teeth mows down premature corn stalks. A hydraulic arm on skidder chops and prunes trees. Corn is silaged with a Class Jaguar 970 for cow consumption. Plowed hay gets lifted and wrapped into tight hay bales. A tractor drags a mechanical red cabbage leaf pruner.